Okay, ma yema hefo nyina kwa ba ha Kings TV G Sports so na and so dafo frasa frade ede adom ye Wednesday the 8th day of November 2023 ye de ensem kakra bronze ne kuma Asante Kotoko womo press conference ewo Babaya Sports Stadium na ensema apiepie mu no anya asem ketu akra mpanimfo ekopi mu ewo ho na neye anopa nundu 10 am and press conference no and so na awose timi sha asem mpanimfo timi edi ehihye so after press conference in sema afiri mu abani bi na ye pese ne ye tena se na afi yedi hu enkomo na onsu hu bi se wantimi enya kwan amonita na se wantimi enya kwan ankopiem ha your trusted online channel ewo YouTube no so Kings TV G Sports ye mu ahu de ekopie mu nyina enso etimi ho obehwa this season kuma Asante Kotoko performance no enye said mpanifo enso esi epe no coach na kasa de afa players awodo a wo mo ekopie mu ho enso etimi akasa na yetima kan nyina bom na afei yetima summarize no enso etimi edi amaw obekaya yeni kan enhwe league ni kakra na afei yemfa ene press conference no yetimi etodwa ewumu no yentimi emfa emam onse se league ni yabo 9 matches na yetimi abo ewo ho ohwe se the table ni sitie na babia Kotoko dano enya ade a wo mo epe Kotoko eda 14th on the league log with 10 points na etimi equito mo 14th position ohwa womo eda 14 faduana ena da kan se di onim no 18 points in Atreman etosumi 16 points Great Olympics etosumi 15 points eto sabofo etoso 9 14 points igbre ma enti atani ata metre atani ata dia na se has ne Kotoko has eda 13th ewo 10 points na Kotoko da 14th with 10 points has ewo game bon ne I know so ye be cover bibia enso matimi edi amount na this season said the Kotoko performance in it no medical kannya de a itimi etwaye goals ne ma coach na kasa de afa ho na politics a ya yeti se ewo Kotoko no enso coach na kasa edi afa ho nti ma yen hyase na yen fa nsem no enso intime enfama King Solomon Aseduni Ahmed Ayat enso etimi ewo mfidie na chi a wo hwe ama bibia enso etimi akoso kama enso etimi ewo ho ense de yedi kankan ne empanimform enso etimi eko meeting na se na owura fense Newton Dasbury ononso ewo meeting na se press conference na se and afi coach Prosper na te Ogum Walonzo ewo with some of the players na omonsu timi ewo nsem de bebre na app basi siyen be se ye hwemienu a nsemienu a coach Prosperity Ogum witimi ebobo so no ma yenhwe sa nsemienu ba ko a odika ekaye ene se ya na supporters no duru ba bia wo man kasa eteni against omu team aye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters amaba park say mobe support team no na mo amasa turning against the team wasinya de a etimi eboa na ukọ amiamia bebre a alimo bobo team saudo bebre abere mo da fom crowd team so mo support no ewo soro ba Ghana ha na Kotoko de ade ni nkoyi a na supporters na wosenka wo mo ta team na chi no wo man kasa asan sori agina kuditi team no wasinya de a ebetimi aboa enso ho osi tambia no players no anampo ukupima supporters no womo eba ubia edobia adwenim se se team ne wini yes se team ne wini a ene de obia adwenim lo se oba wo sa adwen no players no so se obetimi ahye namum ankoba ne sa ensese wutimi esori etia team no enti se omutimi ebo modern na brano no omutimi koso a support team no ema bibia nso etimi ekoso but yenkotie nsema coach Prosper na te Ogum wakai e de fa asansem no ho wose e basa supporters no are not helping mum wa team no kra Kotoko supporters wose mum wa team no sa de ni nkoyie na mo amasan sori atia team no wose nya de a etimi ekoyie yentie Prosper na te Ogum ne nsem no yia ye de aka beto aso.
We are ahead of them, but then because we are unable to take our chances early as the game unfolds, and because these young guys cannot withstand the pressure from the fans, so sometimes mentally they go off, and when they go off, it distorts our structure on the field of play, and this at the end goes to affect us. And this is where I have some sort of how should I say, an issue with the supporters. We are playing, we are creating chances. The goals are not coming. Even the opponent scores, and we are still creating chances. And you are hooting and booing at the players. How do they equalize? And how can they go up? If indeed you are a true supporter. And we see it elsewhere in Europe, other places. Look at when Ali played against Sundowns. Ali got a penalty, they missed. And look at Cairo International Stadium. They were still behind the team. Even when the added on time was shown, they were still there. And when the game was over, they were still there, chanting. That is the spirit of a team. So you don't only come to stadium all with the expectation that you are coming to, you expect that we should win. And we are not winning, or we are creating chances, we are not scoring. So you turn against your own team. When you do that, you are not helping the boys. And you and I know very well that the kind of players we have now do not have that Kotoko spirit, that mentality. The mentality of the Opukuntis, the Kwesi Appiahs and what have you, even the Eric Bequins and what have you. They don't have it.
Okay, nti uti ensemna coach no timi se ensemna me no ehyenebo na oka se koba ne sa nya ade a wutimi eboa eye players no na wobo ba akoso se uhwe the kind of players a team no ewo sese a nya ade a eni ombetimi sa pressure no se odi pressure ebe ma eye players no wose nya ade a etimi eboa enso etimi ewo honti ewo se supporters no munya abotere ade ba ko kan ni se team no create a lot of chances akase ombetimi ahye enti for comment ne to ase se wose team no create chances the chain obia womoni na hia team sahodo a Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni omahia no or say Kotoko create a lot of chances the chain omuso ye he say coach no obeye hu adwuma se wawa hu say team no timi create chances na mum anya dia goals ne ba na wo se wan kasa as coach no wo hwe na megidi se coach no so etoto niema ba ko a the later part of ye ne nsem no de ba ne se ye nyina nim se ne players o mo ba no division 2 players division 1 players some players sebio omumu duru no ewo form kakra some couple of players bi na betimi aka se league no ma bobi ya na so ma boni 2-3 seasons experienced players ni se denim and ye nyina nim se team no copy mu ewo eye efficacy no manhia no but for we say wo muntimi build team no nti se wo mo build nti o se ekoba ne se supporters no mo tani against the team emwa eye players no papa no nedie wayi ni yema kansem ni nyina de gu nti oye Kotoko fan na o hweye sabri e o Kings TV Sports wada Roma dia na mama pressure no enso etimi akofom ezanse coach ni sinya de asade no etimi eboa eye players no e wo honti ya na mama na etimi akofom kakra enso etimi e wo ali mo a otimi set example se omo bo na omo da from Baston na supporters no egusua ba stadium supporters no gusua chante Ghana nko a na wo team performance nko yi a na wow supporters enganga se omo home wankasa wo home fans e wo so mo ejina wati no no mankasa e bo away hu enya ade a etimi ebo nti said the coach na kan ye besere ni nyina ye mfansua all the clubs supporters ni nyina obia enhwe na onsia sa ade no se ade ni nkoyi a also etimi bo modern na atenase na o support ensese ukobo away na hu bia enti eno eye the coach no edi aba aside that wasan kansem ba ko ni mienu bi mayenhwe no ndi mu ehye pa wasi players ni bi eyisu media no edi pe positions eni niema ewo team no be say we dey sorry to say yenu anu mo Asante Kumase hey abrante we woni ball ne start bi o me create di aba no I feel you coach na transia enti we nyina ho na obehu say supporters ebe tu aguso radio so masuma si ma they say ba ku bia baba ya ene justice blaze so dey ba na lamte mo coach ni say players ni bi eyusu media no mo se na damfo ni amedayat ye adwuma o Kings TV ntino oba ya abrante ni mpo mo mane mo coach no menti ase di nti anti o se sa de ni yade a o se players ni nyai o se players ni bi attend to be politicians yenti coach Prosper na te Ogum
Division 2 players it's all about the coach thinking that those players can help. So if you are an old player and you never worked with the coach, or you have even worked with the coach, let me even say you never worked with the coach, and you know who the coach is and what the coach represents, and the coach comes and you think that you can be a politician within the club. I tell them most of you are politicians. I know, but I don't want to mind you. Players stay in Kotoko after 1-2 years, they turn into politicians. They use the media to fight for positions to play. But me as a coach, you will never get.
Joshua no de unya no ai uyisu media no e say we dey fighting for position a enya de a ubenya no wono coach Prosper na te Ogum nya de a ubenya no e wo ho enti players na mo ye sa niema no mo ntimi nhwe na munya yesanse nya de a wono coach no ubetimi enya no e wo ho enti eno eye de coach Prosper na te Ogum wodi atujansem ne de se de medical kan bebre ekopi mu ewo ho na for now de yemfa we enso ntimi emfa emao eye owura fense Emmanuel Newton da super so ekopi mu ho IMC no panimpa ono so eboa ama bibia nso atimi akoso contract players contract insensem etimi APA no say player bia ne contract ebe wu bia coach no epeni bia wodi ho nsem ba kwan bi on be fa so bia no omonso betimi awurom na afei wo mo renew player no contract enso atimi edi ama eye team no enti eno eye kakra e free eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo press conference and then ewo eye Accra Sports Stadium anase Baba Yara Sports Stadium eye conference room no wo mo edi eba so no ye di kakra edi ema bibia to forma Kings TV GA Sports ye be san de abra King Solomon ase de ni amedayat ena ede be mayehu comment wadwen kire the whole issue Kotoko performance the press conference and sema pm nyina no ma yehu comment section ase na player bia wabo Kotoko pen Abbas Mohammed tama me we radio me ne di nkomo o se o pe mo se Kotoko team pa na de no krepa etu nseniani a Kumasi media eno mo se Kotoko tize minim se de coach kan later party ya confirm sa ana asesen onso ma yehu adwenkyere comment section ase ibi atofoma get the bro your best online sports channel Kings TV GA Sports ni subscribe na fi share ma manfo enso ntimi enya bi hwe yakram